The first thing you want to do is to section the hair from the front of the ears off on both sides of the head, and then you want to secure them with hair clips to keep them out of the way for now. Next, you want to pick up a large section of hair from the top of the back of the head and split it into 2 equal sections. With this hair we're going to braid a fishtail braid. So break off a small piece of hair from the outer side of the left hand section and cross it over and add it to the inside of the right hand section. And then you want to repeat this on the right hand section. And you just want to continue to braid like this until the braid reaches about the nape of the neck. To create volume, tug on the edges of the braid. Once the braid reaches the nape of the neck, you want to start adding in hair from the rest of the loose hair. So just break off small pieces of hair and add them into the braid. As you braid, you want to leave out a medium-sized section of hair at the nape of the neck that we're going to use later on. This step is really important, so don't skip it. Again, if you want to, you can tug at the edges of the braid to create volume. Secure the braid with a small elastic once it's done. Next, you want to pick up one of the sections of hair that you left out earlier, and you want to separate the section into 3 equal pieces and braid a regular 3-stranded braid. Braid until the braid reaches about the shoulder blades. Maybe you don't have to braid all the way down, just a little ways past the nape of the neck, and then you can secure the braid with an elastic. And then next you want to braid the exact same braid on the other side of the head. So once you have the 2 braids done, you want to pick up both braids and then cross them over each other, and then secure them at the nape of the neck behind the fishtail braid with an elastic. So you get a cross like this. And then you want to remove the elastics on both braids. And you want to gather the ends with the hair that you left out earlier and separate it into 2 sections, and then you want to braid 2 new 3-stranded braids all the way down. Once you're done braiding both braids, you want to grab both of them and then cross them over the fishtail braid like this until you don't have any more hair left. And then just to hide the ends of the braid, you can just stick a finger through the middle of the fishtail braid and then grab the ends of the 2 braids and pull them to the back of the braid so they can't be seen, and then you can just pin them down with a hair clip. And here we have the finished result. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!